alias Alice, tumingin ka sa akin. Lumalabas na nakalap ng aking tanggapan, isa ka sa nagtayo ng 3 Lin Q Farm noong taong 2015. At ikaw mismo nagdeklarang CEO. Correct?
Sen, may case po final po sa akin sa AMLAC. So, I invoke my right against self-incrimination po. Sorry po.
May mga dokumento na eh. Pinapa-confirm ko lang sa'yo.
Opo, Sen. Pero
Ah?
may na-file na rin po sa akin ng AMLAC.
Okay, what is the nature of the business?
The nature of the business po is piggery po.
Okay, where is it located?
Malabobo.
Where?
Malabobo, mga Tarem, Pangasinan.
Mga Tarem. Is it still operational?
Sa ngayon po, Sen, hindi ko po alam.
Hindi mo alam pero ikaw CEO.
Sen, I invoke my right against self-incrimination.
I'm just asking you if it is still operational. That is not an incriminating question.
Operating po, hindi ko po alam as of the moment po.
Gaano kalaki itong farm nito? Gaano kalawak?
Sen, pasensya na po talaga.
Gaano kalawak? That is not an incriminating question.
May final na po sa akin ng AMLAC po.
That is
for
not an incriminating question. You answer.
Opo, pero may na-file na po sa akin si AMLAC.
So what? I'm just asking you, gaano kalawak?
Sen, di ko po alam po yung exact po. At alam ko po, Sen, na since may na-file na po sa akin na AMLAC, I invoke my right against self-incrimination po.
But I'm telling you, my question is not incriminating. So you can just answer. Ilan square meters? 1,000 ba? 2,000 ba? 3,000 ba?
Sen, pasensya na po, may na-file na po sa akin ng AMLAC.
Alam mo talaga. Ilan yung alaga mong baboy doon?
Sen, pasensya na po talaga.
Ha?
Sen, may na-file na po kasi sa akin ng AMLAC. Kaya lahat po ng sasagutin ko po dito, may use against me po.
Piggery lang yun. Hindi mo alam kung ilan yung baboy na ano. Why are you always invoking your right against self-incrimination? That is not, Attorney Stephen, you ask your client to answer that it's not an incriminating question. Gaano
Your Honor,
kalawak yung farm?
I cannot teach my client to answer because it's up to her whether she knows whether the answer will incriminate her or not.
But do you think that my question is incriminating against her?
It's not about how we think, Your Honor. It's about how she believes it will incriminate her. That's her right, Your Honor. That's her constitutional right.
I know her rights, of course. She can always answer that, but we cannot ferret out the truth. If she always answers that way. Meron bang business permit? Yung ano?
Your Honor, sa ngayon po, hindi ko rin po alam.
Kasi nag-ooperate ang yung 3 Lin Q Farm, wala kayong business permit, wala kayong sanitary permit, wala kayong fire safety inspection permit, wala kayong DNR permit. Oh. At bakit hindi mo dineclare yung 3 Lin Q Farm sa salin mo nung 2022 hanggang 2023?
Sen, hindi po ako sure kung na-declare po.
Madam Chair, can you please, Sofina, Duces Tecum, the salin? Of, meron na ba? Salin. Can you, okay, are you aware
Yes,
of,
SP Pro Tempore, we will furnish it.
are you aware of the bank transactions of your piggery, yung 3 Lin Q? Aware ka ba?
Sen, anong pong transaction po?
Okay. Ang pinupunto ko rito, okay, yung kumpanya mo with a 10 million capital had no financial activities in 2018, 2019, and 2020. And yet, bakit napakalaki ng mga bank transactions mo simula noong 2016 hanggang taong kasalukuyan? Between 2021 and 2024, may sudden surge in bank transactions amounting to about 650 million pesos based on the findings of the AMLA. In total, the bank transactions of your piggery farm amounted to 831 million from 2016 to 2024. Are you aware? Ganun ba kalaki yung pera?
Sen, may final na po sa akin sa AMLAC po. I invoke my right against self-incrimination po.
Lalabas at lalabas talaga yung katotohanan yan. Alam mo talaga sinungaling ka talaga, Madam Chair. Eh. Alam mo
And
talaga,
SB Pro Tempore, in direct relation to that, Go Huaping, you are in continuing contempt. You are continuing to be evasive, for the record.
okay, thank you, Madam Chair. Oh, dito sa salin mo, you did not declare. Walang pangalan ng Thrillin Q Farm. Dito, sa salin mo.
Sen, di po talaga ako sure kung, pero alam
Hindi
ko
nga,
po
wala nga. I'm telling you, wala ka nilagay. You did not indicate it. In your salin, you want me to confront with these papers, with these documents?
Sen, related din po siya sa money laundering po na case po. I invoke my right po ulit. Sorry po talaga.
Crazy talaga ito. Anyway, are you aware of the fund transfers that you personally made and the bank transfer of Thrillin Q Farm to RMCE Metals? Ano yung RMCE Metals?
Your Honor, RMCE, kung di po ako nagkakamali, bentahan po yun ng mga bakal po.
O kaya nga, nag-fund transfer ka ng pera? Natatanda mo ba?
Your Honor,
Amount, September 20, 2016, amounting to 979,000 pesos.
Your Honor, yung pangalan po na RMCE po, RMCE naalala ko po, pero yung amount po, hindi ko na po maalala.
Madam Chair, RMCE Metals, Madam Chair, is AMLAC's person of interest, if I'm not mistaken, for illegal drug activities. And aside from Thrillin Q, you yourself remitted to RMCE Metals 800,000 in a single transaction in 2019. What is that for?
Ang transaction po namin kay RMCE po is puro bakal po.
In one single transaction, 800,000?
Bakal lang po yung natandaan ko po na binili po namin sa kanila kasi yun lang po din yung alam po namin na product po nila.
So, Madam Chair, I think these corporations, along with several other companies of alias Alice, are just being used as a front for money laundering. And there are several questionable and humongous bank accounts or bank transactions that are not backed up by their incomes and business activities. And I think AMLAC should take note of this. Sino ba representative ng AMLAC?
Attorney Arnold.
Yes, Your Honor. That's already part of our investigation, Your Honor.
All right. Okay, Cassandra,